Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will discuss about how to use Sass SCSS, and it is for beginners. I have taken an example, like this is the HTML template. You just need to create a folder which is for CSS. Right, here you will include the CSS files and SCSS files, right? So we will use it with the plugin. You can say extensions in Visual Studio Code. You can search here easy Sass, right? You need to click on this, install it, right? So here just need to create a CSS. Now create a new file, style.sss. When you will write something in this file, when you will save it, then automatically these CSS files will be created. One is CSS and another one is main file, right? Anything you will write here, it will be compiled and it will be written in CSS file, right? Like you can write anything, h2 color black. You can check here, like everything will be copied here. So in SCSS we have something some new features which are like variables, mixins, nesting. What are variables? You can create variables with $sign. Like you want to define a color, like color white, and now you can use it throughout your file, right? So you can define it at the top. Use it here, color white, right? These are called variables. You can create more, like font big, like this, right? So these are variables you can use throughout your file. And there are also mixins. Mixin, this is mixin, this is mixin name. Like we will take an example of flex center. Flex center means display flex and justify content center and align items center. So you can use it anywhere with include, right? You can use it anywhere in any class, like some class. You can use it with include function. These are variables and these are mixins, right? There is one more thing in SCSS, oh, side by side you can check this whole code will be written here, but with no variables, no mixins, they will not be shown in this file. It will be clearly CSS file, and everything mixin variables you can see in the SCSS file, right? So next I will show you, if you have a navigation, right, nav. In CSS you write nav display flex. In CSS you write like this, nav ul now text align center, but not in SCSS. You can use directly inside it, like nav ul text line center, and now ul li you can put here, right? Say color white, right? You can see this code will be like this in CSS file, right? It is easier to write. It will, it will not consume much of your time. So after that you can add anchor tag inside list tag, like display block. So you can check here this whole code. So this is called nesting in SCSS, right? So today we have discussed about variables, mixins and nesting in SCSS. I will surely discuss about more features of SCSS in my next video, right? So if you have any query, you can just mention in the comment section. I will definitely respond to your query, right? And I also want to tell you that you can install any plugin here. This is also the plugin, but mostly we use this Easy Sass, right? Because it will create both. Yeah, one thing I forgot. Here you need to include your style sheet. So you might be thinking that we will include SCSS file, but no, you will just include CSS file, right? H2. You can check in HTML as well. Whether it will work or not, right? So we have this demo 5. Sorry, 8. So here you can check it has picked up the CSS attributes. We have just included the CSS file, but we are working in SCSS. Like CSS file is automatically creating. Isn't it easy? So okay guys, we will meet in next video. Thanks for watching.